So hello friends. So today I will talk about like how you can add validation to templateable form to ensure accurate data entry and enhance user experience. So yeah, you can how you can implement that in your Angular project. So let me give you a brief on those how you can add this validation. So let's take an example. So let me select one example so that you will clearly understand. So yeah, just take this template reference for this. Just take this template form. Okay, so in this form, we just simply created a form, and on this form, what we have done, we have added a control. So here we are using ng model. So here I added the check like email required, and it should be in correct format and all. So how you can check this? So in Angular, yeah, like we have forms module. So and we have reactive form module just for reactive forms. So if you want to check all this value, so let me give you one brief demo. Uh, so here, let me enter it. Let me move this. Okay, so now it is moved. Okay, so now if you see here, it is showing invalid form, a fresh form, invalid email format. So let me add the correct format. So now it is not showing that error. So here, let me check validation state as email value. So I printed on the log, so we will check all the details. So control valid is true, so because we have entered the correct value. Now if we talk about the code, like how it is done, so let me show you that also. So here what we have done, we just simply added, like, if you want to fetch the specific control, so you just need to pass that control. So here it is email control. Okay, so here we are passing that email control, and yeah, we are fetching that control, and so this is basically how we are achieved this thing. So if I talk about, so here, like, we have defined this, it is a required field, and this must be in email format. So this is the email validator. Direct changes to the email letter amount to the directive. So it is a default directive we are using here, and this with this we are giving the reference so that we will get the value of this model and the required email. So yeah, you can simply add this validation, and if you see here, like what properties I have used, like valid, errors, value, status. So these are different properties that are very helpful to add the proper validation on the field. So on the this is only one field that I have add validation, like when a form control value changes in tablet. Angular respond by returning valid status or generating a list of validation pattern, making it easy to provide feedback to users. So yeah, means if you have, say, few controls, so yeah, you can use this way to add the validation on those fields. Yeah, thanks guys for watching. If you want to learn more or anything, any new tech, any new technology, any new website you want to build, so yeah, just do comment. Yeah, thanks guys for watching.